Good morning, students. We already finished my practice time 1. Here, my practice time 1 we have to finish, and in Zoom period also I repeat it again. Then observe the pattern in each row and complete the same. So I already explained this one, what is the pattern and uh, how to complete this pattern. We repeat it again and we solve more problems about it. Complete the following pattern. So you have to write this one in the notebook. Okay, now here first one pattern is 60, 65, 70, 75. So first find out what is the pattern and then complete it. So here 60 and 65 is difference between 60 and 65 is 5. Then 65 and 75, again 70 and 75 5. That is the increasing pattern, and add 5 number. uh, so you have to find next number. Okay, then 60 plus 5, that is 65. 65 plus 5, 70. 70 plus 5, 75. So next pattern is adding 5. So 75 plus 5, 80, and 80 plus 5, 85. So you have to complete it like this. Here next one 100, 90, 80, 70. So you have to find out next one. So first see here difference between 100 and 90, 90 and 80, and first see carefully here 100, 90, 80, 70, that is the decreasing pattern, and here difference between these two numbers is 10. Means if you 100 minus 10, that is 90. 90 minus 10, 80. 80 minus 10, 70. That is the decreasing pattern, and subtract 10. So you got next number. So 70 minus 10, that is 60. 60 minus 10, 50. Okay. Now next one here 3, 5, 9, 15. So first find out what is the pattern and then write the next number. So here 3 and 5. Then 5 and 9. 9 and 15. What is the relation between these numbers? So here 3 plus 2 5. Then 5 plus 4 9. Then 9 plus 6 15. So here difference between 3 and 5, that is the 2. 5 and 9, that is the 4. Means add here 2, 4, 6. Then here you have to add 2, 4, 6. So you have to add here 8. Means that is the increasing pattern. So 15 plus 8, that is 23. Then next number is plus 10. So 23 plus 10, 33. Okay. Now see next number is 9, 18, 27, 36. Here addition of 9 here. Means addition of 9, or you have to read the table of 9. So you got next two numbers. Here 9, 18, 27. Difference between 9 and 18. 9. So add here 9. Then you got 18. 18 plus 9, 27. Plus 9, 36. Then you have to add 9. Then you got 45, and plus 9, 54. Otherwise you read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, and 9 is 54, like this. So you have to complete it. Next one 6, 12, 19, 27. Then you have to find next two numbers. So first find out relation between these numbers and find out what is the pattern. So 6 and 12, difference between 6 and 12 is 6, and it is the increasing pattern. So 6 plus 6, 12. Then 12 and 19, difference between 12 and 9, that is the 7. So if you add 12 plus 7, that is 9. So here 6, 7, one number you have to add. Then after that 19 plus 8, 27. So your next number is addition of 9. So here 6, 7, 8. The next number you have to add 9. So 27 plus 9, 36. The next number add 10. So 36 plus 10, 46. Okay. Now here alphabet patterns. That is the alphabet and number. Alphabet with number or only alphabets. So here A, B, next number C, D, E, F. Then you have to find out next. So here sequence is very simple. You know A, B, C, D. Here A, B, C, D, E, F. So next is G, H or I, J. So you complete this pattern. Next B, D, C, E, D, E, E, F. Now find out the here first pattern. Here if you see carefully here, B, after B, C is there, then D, then E. So you know here alphabets are sequentially B, C, D, E. So next is F, then after that G. Now next here D is there. Here D, E, F, G, then next H or I. So you have to first find out relation between these alphabets and then complete the pattern. Here 4A, 8D, 12G, 16J. So you have to complete next. So here 4A and 8D. See the pattern first. Here 4, 8. First see the number pattern. One, you have to take this one first. 4, then 8, then 12, then 16. So you have to find the relation here. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Then 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So this is the table of 4 or addition of 4. So 16, after that 20 and then 24. You have to read table of 4, otherwise you have to add 4 numbers. Then you complete this 20 and 24. So you have to complete the number pattern. Now see the alphabet here. A, D. A and D here. A, B, C skip out. Then A, B, C skip. Then D. Then D, after D, E, F skip. Then G. Then H, I skip. J. मीन्स बीच में जो दो थे लेटर ए के बाद बी और सी छोड़ दिया और डी लिया है, मीन्स स्किप किया है. वैसे ही यहाँ पे देखो अभी जे, दैट इज द आफ्टर जे यू हैव टू कीप जे, के, एल, एम. देन आफ्टर एम एन, ओ skip, then P. So you have to find like this pattern and complete it. Next one A7, then B14, C21 and D28. Then find out next one. Here now see carefully. A, B, C, D. After that E and F. Okay, so you find only alphabet pattern. Now see the number here. 7, 14, 21, 28. See addition of 7, otherwise you have to read table of 7 and then find out next. Here 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 7, 35, 35 plus 7, 42, like this. Now here next number K1, L3, M5 and 7. So you have to find first relation this one. K, L, M, N. This is the sequence. K, L, M, N. Next is O, then P. Now here see number 1, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7 is the odd number. So you have to write alphabet with this odd number. So here 1, 3, 5, 7. Next odd number is 9. After that 11. Okay. So you complete it pattern. Next one. See here 11 number. A, B, A. then A B B, A B C, then A B D. Here find out pattern here. First A B, A B, A B, A B common. So you write down in next pattern A B and A B. Okay. Now you have to find next one here A, then here B, C, D, then you add here E or F. Okay. Then next here 1, 5, 10, 60 and here 40. You have to find out these two numbers. So how to find here 1 and 5? Difference between 1 and 5 is 4. 5 and 10 is 5. 10 and 16 6. Then find out next one. So what you write here first? Here add 5 number here 1 plus 4 5 means you have to add 4, then you got 5, then 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 6 16. So next number is you have to add 7 here 4 5 6 7. So 16 plus 7 23, 23 plus 8 31, and 31 plus 9 40. So you have to find out first what is the pattern, that is the increasing pattern or decreasing pattern. Then next one you have to find out. Then here next number is 690, 620, 550. So first relation between these three numbers you have to find out. 690 and after that 620. So in these two numbers here difference between these two numbers is 70, means this is the decreasing patterns, means number कम होते गए हैं तो decreasing pattern है. कितने से कम हो रहे? सो 70 से. सो 690 minus 70 620. 620 minus 70 550. So obviously next is 550 minus 70 480. 480 minus 70 410, and 410 minus 70 340. Okay, so you got this one. So you have to find out relation between first this pattern and then complete the pattern. Okay, if you understood, you have to solve many problems from textbook, and you have to take any numbers and you have to find out that pattern and complete it. Okay, now next our topic is in a pattern and symmetry, that is the tiling. So here in this tiling means what? Here beautiful patterns made by using one kind of shape repeated over and over is known as tiling. Okay, so means what? Beautiful pattern means बहुत अच्छा दिखने वाला पैटर्न है. मेड बाय यूजिंग वन काइंड ऑफ शेप मीन्स कौन सा भी शेप आप लेते हो तो वो रिपीट होता है और एक ब्यूटीफुल पैटर्न बन जाता है. Then is known as the tiling. See here for example wall, chessboard and honeycomb. See here wall is there, here honeycomb is there. In the textbook see here this one wall, chessboard and honeycomb. So you have to draw this pattern in the notebook. Next see here some patterns are there. My practice time 2. Here complete the tiling pattern and color them accordingly. So see here already here 1 2 3 4 5 draw. You have to complete it. Here pattern is same like this, so you have to complete it. Here also you have to complete like this pattern. Here color the tiles to make pattern. So you have to find out here what is the pattern and you have to color it here also. Then create your own pattern and color them. So you have to create it. It's a different. Okay, so you have to find out and create it and color it also pattern, and make 2 tiling patterns in your notebook. Okay, so any 2 patterns you have to draw in the notebook. Okay, you have to complete it at home. This one your homework, my practice time 2. Okay, you have to do nicely and complete it. Okay, thank you.